In this video, we are going to learn 4 different meaning of the word show. Show can be used as a verb and noun in a sentence. Show means display. For example, please show your ID card. Show your book. Here, show act as a verb. After that, show means event or performance. For example, the show will be start at 8 o'clock. The show will be start tomorrow. Here, show is a noun. After that, show can be used to express something. For example, show respect to the elders. Show respect to the near and dear ones. Finally, show means to indicate. For example, Russell shows interest to go to market. He shows interest to do this work. I hope this meaning will be helpful for all of you and you will be good at spoken English. So give me a like for more English updates.